Hello students, today we are going to see question answers of chapter 4 Science class 5th ICSE board, and chapter name is the brain and the sense organ. So let's start. In this first question is what forms the nervous system? Nervous system किन किन चीज़ों से मिलके बना होता है? So following things form the nervous system. First thing is brain, second thing spinal cord, and third is nerves. These three are combining together and they are forming our nervous system. As you can see in this picture, this is showing nervous system. It consists brain, spinal cord, and the nerves which is present in our body. These nerves are like wire which is connected to your mind and to each part of the body. Let's move to next question. See this picture. This picture will give you more clear image about the nervous system. Here is the brain. This is the spinal cord. This red color column is the spinal cord. Spinal cord is different from the backbone. Backbone is not a spinal cord. And these nerves, these nerves are connecting to the every part of the body. Like it is connected with the liver, it is connected with the lungs, it is connected with heart, it is connected with each and every part of the body. These nerves. See one more diagram. This is also showing nervous system. This brain, this is spinal cord which is moving through the backbone, and these nerves. These three are making nervous system. Here is more clear diagram given. This is brain, and here this is the spinal cord, and this spinal cord is going inside this vertebral column. This is also. Now question number 2, what are the involuntary actions? Which part of the brain control this? So first of all, let us know the actions which we cannot control according to our will are known as involuntary action. We cannot control this action. हमारे हिसाब से हम इस actions को control नहीं कर सकते. That actions are known as involuntary actions. And which part of the brain control these? So this is second question asking in this question. So we will change the paragraph and then give the answer. So brain stem controls the involuntary actions. So two questions are asking in one question, so we will answer in different only, in different paragraph. Here what are the examples of involuntary actions? For example, breathing and heartbeat are the examples of involuntary actions. Let us see. Look at this.
Body.
This
The
action
left
is showing
ventricle is the
heartbeat.
main
You
pumping
cannot
chamber of
control
the
your
heart
heartbeat,
and contracts
or you
to
cannot
send
start
oxygenated
your
blood
heartbeat. You cannot
to the
stop
rest
your
of the body
heartbeat.
through
It is
the aorta.
automatically. And
Several
who is
smaller
controlling
arteries
this? Brain
known
stem is controlling this heartbeat. Next question. Name the two types of nerves. The two types of nerves are as follows. First one is sensory nerves and second one is motor nerves. Which part of the brain controls learning, thought, and the senses? The cerebrum part of the brain controls the learning, thought, and the senses. कौन सा part हमारे brain का control करता है learning, thought और sense में? तो कौन सा part help करता है? Cerebrum part. Next question. Look at this diagram. This portion of the brain is known as cerebrum, and this portion is cerebellum, and this one is brain stem. ये brain stem control करता है हमारी heart beat, breathing, ये सबको, and cerebrum हमारे control करता है learning, thinking, all these things. Next question, what are the reflex actions? What controls them? Reflex actions क्या होते हैं? The quick response controlled by the spinal cord are called reflex action. This is one answer. And second question is asking that what controls them. So we will answer in second paragraph. It is controlled by spinal cord. Spinal cord जो है हमारे reflex actions को control करता है. Let us see where is this spinal cord present in our body. So look at this. You have seen backbone in the skeleton system chapter. You have seen backbone. If I go through this one portion of this backbone and see from the top, so it will look like this, and this portion is hollow, means there is gap, sorry, this portion is hollow and this portion is having gap. इसी portion से हमारी spinal cord pass होती है. Let us move towards next question. So here is also shown this typical vertebra और पास से दिखाया गया एक वर्टिब्रा को. वर्टिब्रा मीन्स जो कॉलम रख करके आपकी बैकबोन बनाई गई है, दैट कॉलम के वन पार्ट को जो वर्टिब्रा बोलते हैं. एंड इन दिस थ्रू दिस स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इज पासिंग, इस गैप में से स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पास होती हैं. लुक हियर, दिस इज योर बैकबोन और इस बैकबोन में ये जो गैप है, इस गैप में स्पाइनल कॉर्ड पास होती है. लुक, दिस येलो कलर इज योर spinal cord passing through the backbone, inside your backbone. So ये spinal cord जो है reflex sections को control करती है. Now Phillips, nerves that carry message to the brain and spinal cord are dash nerves. जो message ले जाती हैं brain से spinal cord तक, sensory nerves. Light enters the eye through the dash. हमारी आइज में लाइट एंटर करती है किसके थ्रू? प्यूपिल के थ्रू. ईच सेंस ऑर्गन हैज स्पेशल नर्व सेल्स कॉल्ड डैश. सभी सेंस ऑर्गन के पास एक स्पेशल नर्व सेल होती है, दैट इज रिसेप्टर्स. रिसेप्टर्स क्या है? कोई भी एक्शंस को फटाफट जो है क्विक माइंड तक पहुंचाने का काम करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, द मोस्ट सेंसिटिव पार्ट ऑफ द स्किन आर लिप्स एंड द डैश. So our fingertips and the lips are most sensitive part of the body. तो हम बॉडी के किसी भी और पार्ट में कोई चीज़ टच होगी तो हमें थोड़ा लेट से पता चलेगा, लेकिन फिंगर से या लिप्स से जल्दी टच होगी तो हमें बहुत जल्दी पता चलेगा. नेक्स्ट, द रिसेप्टर्स फॉर स्मेल आर लोकेटेड ऑन द डैश ऑफ द नोज. जो रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं जो नोज़ के लिए मैसेज ले जाने का काम करेंगे, वो नोज़ में रूफ में प्रेजेंट होते हैं, नोज़ की रूफ में. Next, nerves that carry message from the brain and spinal cord are called dash nerves. जो ब्रेन से स्पाइनल कॉर्ड तक मैसेज लेके जाते हैं, that are known as motor nerves. Now choose the correct options. First question is breathing and beating of heart are. कौन कौन से actions हैं ये? Voluntary actions, involuntary actions और reflex action. So we have seen in previous answers कि हार्ट बीट जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, सो इट इज़ इनवॉलेंट्री एक्शन. सो ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट. सो लेट्स सी आंसर. ऑप्शन बी इज़ करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, द पार्ट ऑफ द आई ऑन विच इमेज फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड. विच पार्ट ऑफ द आई इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग? सो लेंस, प्यूपिल. लेंस में इमेज नहीं बनती है, लेंस बड़ी करने के काम आती है. प्यूपिल से लाइट एंटर होती है. ओनली रेटिना इज लेफ्ट. सो यस, रेटिना इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन जिसमें इमेज फॉर्म होती है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, ऑन आवर रेटिना इमेज इज फॉर्मिंग अपवर्ड्स डाउन, मीन्स उल्टी इमेज बनती है, इन्वर्टेड. लेट्स मूव, लेट्स सी इट्स आंसर. ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द आंसर. नाउ नेक्स्ट, द लेंस ऑफ द आई इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द प्यूपिल, बिहाइंड द रेटिना, बिहाइंड द प्यूपिल. प्यूपिल के फ्रंट में होती है या फिर रेटिना के पीछे होती है, बिहाइंड द प्यूपिल. रेटिना के पीछे तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, क्योंकि रेटिना पर हमारी इमेज बन रही है. जहाँ इमेज फॉर्म हो रही है तो उसके पीछे से आप देखना शुरू करोगे, ऐसा तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. बिहाइंड द पीपल, लाइट एंटर कर रही है उसके बाद लेंस हो, दिस वन इज पॉसिबल. एंड फर्स्ट वन, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द प्यूपिल, भी प्रेजेंट नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि लाइट एंटर करने के लिए हमने प्यूपिल रखा है. So this one is correct. Option C. Let's see. Option C is correct. Now next, at the end of the tunnel in the ear are tiny bones. Is the eardrum is a coiled tube. At the end of the tunnel in the ear, क्या चीज़ present है? तो if you remember the ear one diagram, so tiny bones are present in the beginning, then eardrum, and this coiled tube is present at the last. So option number C is correct. It will be more clear to you with the help of diagram. Look at this diagram. First one is ear canal, then earwax is present, then eardrum is present. So at the end of the tunnel, here this tunnel is ending, and what is present at the end of the tunnel? Eardrum. So option B is correct. So let's check answer. Option B is correct. Now question number 5 is your true false. Which of these is true? All the nerves are connected directly to the brain. Is it true? सारी nerves direct brain से connect हैं? No, it is false. They are connected first. They are collecting and forming spinal cord. And then, now B, only some nerves are connected directly to the brain. True. कुछ ही nerves जो हैं brain से direct connect हैं. Third, all nerves act through the spinal cord. क्या सारी nerves जो हैं spinal cord के through act करती हैं? So this one is also false. Only this much in today's video. If you understood all the questions and concept, then click on the like button and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.